The data that shapes the world is now at your fingertips. University of Southampton Delhi presents the Bloomberg Terminal Lab. Real-time markets, professional-grade research, global certification. Stop observing, start performing. Experience the difference.
Hi, my name is Dr. Danielson and I am the Director of the Financial Laboratory at the University of Southampton. I'm super excited to announce that the Financial Lab at our Delhi campus is now open and it is hosting 12 Bloomberg Terminals, which will allow our students to get access to financial data, breaking news and market-leading analytics.